Not to be weird or anything, but I literally just threw up in my mouth and now the back of my throat hurts. You know, like the acid stuff? Ooh. Hey, what's up you guys, it's Jocelyn. Welcome back to my channel. I uploaded a MacBook Pro unboxing video a couple weeks ago, and I mentioned in the video that I will be doing an Apple Watch unboxing. So just a disclaimer, I bought this Apple Watch with my own money. It was for my birthday present. I just turned 18 yesterday. I was in Charleston all day yesterday with my best friend, and I believe that video will be up before this video. But yeah, I got this Apple Watch for my birthday. I got the Series 5 40mm Black Sport, and I got it with the cellular plan because I like to running cross country in college, and I want something that I can listen to my Apple Music on while I run, and so I don't have to take my phone, because I think for the Bluetooth you have to have your phone within a certain range, and I run like up to 8 miles, 10 miles sometimes. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I just took off the sticker with my name and address and stuff like that. If you're new to my channel, hi, how are you? My name is Jocelyn. I would love if you guys would subscribe. My goal is to hit 2,000 subscribers by December. We actually just hit 2,000 subscribers, so thank you. I love you guys all so much. This is crazy, but new goal, 3,000 by March 2021. We could do it. So I think that's insane. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Make sure you keep commenting, liking my videos, sharing my videos. So yeah, let's just get started. So this is the Apple Watch. Like I said, I got a Series 5 space gray, aluminum case, black sport band, 40mm, and that's all it says in the box. So it looks like this. I never had an Apple Watch before. I currently have a Fitbit, but I got the Fitbit as a gift a couple Christmases ago, and it's just not doing it anymore for me. It works fine, it's just I'm running. I need something to track like where I'm going, and I thought the Apple Watch would be perfect. The box is a lot bigger than what I thought. I thought the box was gonna be like maybe like this big, but nope, it is a pretty big box. Okay, so now for the unboxing part. That part is always so satisfying. This is so cool. Oh, I just ripped it. Oh, this packaging is so cute. It has all sorts of like Apple Watch bands and different types of Apple Watches on it. That is so cute. This is what the box looks like. It's like separated already, but oh my gosh, my camera keeps going out of focus. Can you not? This is what the box looks like when you unravel it. You have your charger box, and then your charger, and then the actual Apple Watch. I love the smell of new Apple products and like just new technology. So there's the charger. Now time for the Apple Watch itself. So it comes in this little like velvet, I don't know if y'all can even see that. It comes in this little velvet soft protective case, which I think is so cute, but now I just have to figure out how to get it out. So this is the Apple Watch. It is so little and so cute. I'm so excited. I'm like way too excited for this. All right, let me show y'all what I'm doing. So now, oh, I was like, where are the bands? I thought it was underneath here. No, it's right here. So this is the band. We're gonna undo this. This is just a sport band, space black stainless steel pin. I wanted to get the black one just because I thought it would look cleaner, and it kind of matches most of my outfits compared to like the rose gold one or something like that. And then you unravel it. They give you instructions on how to put it on, and then you have two different size bands. You have a medium and large band, and then a small medium band. I'll probably use a small medium. I'm gonna use the small and medium. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. And then here's the other portion of it, and you just connect them like this, and that is so cool. I don't even know what to do. I never watched an unboxing on these videos, believe it or not. So I'm gonna try to connect this. Slide it. Oopsies. Oh, okay, that was easy. It's like a magnet, so it won't fall out. And this is what it looks like. This looks so exciting. So, first thing, we're gonna turn it on. Okay. I just ran downstairs to say hi to my mom. Anyways, I turned on my watch, and it says low battery to continue. Connect the Apple Watch to the charger. Okay, so I'm going to take this and put it on the back. Ooh, that was cute. Okay, now we're going to pair the iPhone and my watch together. And then it just popped up. I was just on Snapchat, but it just popped up. So I'm gonna continue. And then it says I have to put my Apple Watch on the camera. And it's paired. That was so easy. Getting this like cute little design thing. Okay, set up an Apple Watch. I wear it on my left wrist, sometimes my right, but mostly my left. Says I have to agree to all this stuff, yada yada yada. Signing into my account. Please continue setup on iPhone. It's saying signing into your account, and then this just has this really cool design on it, and I'm just waiting for everything to be set up, and then we can get the show on the road. My camera is having a very hard time focusing, and I don't know why. So while I'm waiting for this to sign in, I did buy some Apple Watch bands from Amazon. I bought a bundle. I'll put the screenshot of what I got right here. And I just wanted to show them to you. I think I'll keep the black band on for now, but I got this maroon red one, this light pink band, a white band, a navy band, and then this really, really pretty seafoam green band. So it came with 5. You can like select the colors in the bundle that you like. And then on top of that, I also got a Apple Watch case to go around the actual Apple Watch so it can be protected. It's just like this clear case, and it has like the holes on the side for all the buttons, and I just thought it would be a really good idea so I don't get it scratched and messed up. Still waiting to sign in my account, so I'll talk to y'all in a couple minutes. Okay, so just finished, and then after it said it was like signing into my account, this workout route tracking thing popped up, and I could either enable route tracking or disable route tracking, but since I got it for running, I'm gonna enable shared settings. Okay, now I get to create an Apple Watch passcode. You get to choose between a long passcode, don't add passcode, and then create a passcode. I think I'm going to not add a passcode right now just because, I don't know, I like looking at my watch and just like, I mean, I don't really care. So next is activity. We're going to set up activity. My birthday, I can change my height. I'm 5'3" now, not 5'2". Isn't that amazing? Daily move goal. So you can create a move goal. So this was automatically set at 280 calories, but I think I'm going to do 770 calories, which is like the high mode. The moderate mode is 530 calories, and the light is 280 calories. But I'm pretty up and moving, so I'm gonna do 770 calories, which is my daily move goal. And then it says keep your Apple Watch up to date, continue, emergency SOS, continue, cellular step. So I don't really know how to do this step, but I'm gonna select to set up cellular, and it took me to the Verizon website. So I'm gonna skip this step for now because I don't really need it right now. Clock faces. This is what I was most excited about. Why? Because you get to decorate it. I'm gonna push continue, and I'll choose what apps later. So now my Apple Watch is syncing. This is going to take a very long time, as you can tell by the little wheel right there. Okay, so story time while I'm waiting for this to sync. This morning I went to go get my blood drawn to, you know, donate blood because I wanted to do something cool as soon as I turned 18, even though you can do it at 17, but I just wanted to do it just to do it and say that I've done it. But I get there, fill out all my information, and that lady was like, yeah, your heart rate is abnormally high. So she came back like 10 minutes later, and then she took it again, and it was still high. Like, I'm talking like 110 high. So I already have irregular heartbeat. That's why I wanted an Apple Watch as well, because it will notify you if you have an irregular beat. And I also have a tendency of passing out. I wanted to test the quality of these. I don't really want to try them on, but I want to compare them to the Apple Watch band. These are really soft. So I'm like filling up on the band that it came with the watch and this band, and they're both very soft, very high quality soft. Guess what? My watch is done syncing. So on my phone it says welcome to Apple Watch. I can customize my app settings, all that good stuff. And then it pops up with this screen of all the information of your Apple Watch. This is what it looks like. It says Jocelyn's watch, 40mm, and you can customize the watch faces and the apps and stuff like that. Then my watch says your watch is ready, and then I can customize the watch face. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put screen record on my phone. Okay, I'm gonna put my screen recorder here so you can see what I'm doing. But I like the infograph one. So I saw this one the other day. I really like these ones right here, but I kind of like these ones as well. Okay, so you can customize like the colors. I like this one with all of them. so top left solar. I like to use the rain. I look at that quite often because I work outside. It's very convenient to know. Let's do heart rate. Bottom left, Earth, solar system, and then we will do UV index. I like that. It looks pretty, so I'm gonna add it to my Apple Watch gallery. Okay, so I wanna know what this is. I'm like on my Apple Watch face thing, and it says I only have these two right here, but I go on my Apple Watch and it's this, and then I click it, and then it's that. So I don't know how to change this. I went to face gallery, but I don't think it's that. Oh, I can set it as my current. Let's see if that does it. Set as current watch face. What is that? I don't know, I'll try to figure that out. But I think now I'm going to customize my layout of my apps. So I'm gonna use the date a lot. I'm gonna use clock and text messages a lot. I'm also gonna use Apple Music a lot. Okay, so I figured out how to change it. I think it just took a couple seconds to show up on my Apple Watch. So I'm just installing apps now. This is the face that I chose. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video here because I have a lot of stuff to do, but it's just like nothing really filming worthy, if that makes sense. It's just like information stuff. But if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below if you have an Apple Watch, and yeah, I will see you guys next week. Peace.